Hiya! Hello everybody, let's work on our middle reinforced chop, or Choong Ssang pseudo Mahk. One more time, Choong Ssang pseudo Mahk. Choong Ssang pseudo Mahk. Very good. Our jam load is a little bit different. We're going to take our non-blocking hand and we're going to act like we're putting it on a table, but it's above our belt. Good. Fingers together, palm down. Blocking hand, palm up, smushed on top of the bottom hand. Good. Jam load. Reset. Opposite. Jam load. Reset. Jam load. Reset. Jam load. Reset. Now let's add that block. Jam load. Good. This is going to pivot out like a regular inside to outside knife block. And this one is going to come in, protecting the solar plexus and palm up flat. Very good. So we call this block the sibling, hold your favorite snack. Ready? Jam load. Block and chamber. Hey! Jam load. Block and chamber. Hey! Good. Notice that my fingers are nice and tight together. They're not apart. Very good. Other side. Ready? Jam load. And block and chamber. Jam load. Block and chamber. Hey! One more. Jam load. Block and chamber. Hey! Good, let's add a stance. As previously stated in the low chop video, all reinforced chops are thrown in a fighting stance. So we are gonna throw it in a fighting stance today. Good. Jam load, step into that short fighting stance, twist and bring it out. Hey! Good, and reset. Jam load, step, twist and bring it out. Hey! And reset. One more. Jam load. Step, twist, and bring it out. Hey! Good. And reset. Opposite side. Ready? Jam load. Step, twist, and bring it out. Hey! Reset. Jam load. Step, twist, and bring it out. Hey! Reset. Jam load. Step, twist, and bring it out. Hey! Good. That is our reinforced middle chop, or Choong Ssang pseudo Mahk in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.